Welcome. If you want to enter one-hand mode in your Alcatel One 2019, let's go for the settings, tap on the display, and click on the one-hand mode right here. Click on the switcher to activate, and as you can see right now, we are able to change the size of the one-hand mode, so we can pick up 4.5 inch, and we can also set up the side of the side where we will be able to use the one-hand mode. So when you want to use it on the left side, you leave it like that. When if you want to get it on the right side, you have to click right here, and I want to get it on the right side. So right now we set up our settings and we can finally enter the one-hand mode. So we have to just quickly touch the home button 2 times, as you can see on this preview. So let's do this. Okay, it was just 1 tap, so let's make double tap. And as you can see right now, we are in the one-hand mode, and we can easily reach every part of the screen with one hand, and we can also move it on the left side and back on the right side, whatever you want. And if you want to exit, you have to click on the run outside. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.